Metalcraft-Blacksmith-Silversmith websites. Chapter 1. The Metal Crafts. Metalcraft websites at kali.org/en/arts/crafts/metal_craft. Subcategories: blacksmithing, chainmail, model engineering, silversmithing, shopping crafts metal, shopping visual arts sculpture sculptors metals. Anvilfire.com, Anvil Fire. Blacksmiths and Metal Workers Reference. PrescottStudio.com, Prescott Studio. ReadyT.com/r/metalworking, Reddit, metalworking. Torchcraft.com, Torchcraft. Jerry Kirby manufactures metal silhouettes and other forms of custom metal art. Metalcraft organizations at kali.org/en/arts/crafts/metal_craft/organizations. Subcategories: blacksmithing, knives. mbmag.org, Monterey Bay Metal Arts Guild. Non-profit that provides information, education, and support for Monterey Bay area metal artists. MetalArtsGuildSF.org, Metal Arts Guild San Francisco. Non-profit organization that promotes and supports metal workers and Bay Area jewelers. NHIG.org.uk, National Heritage Ironwork Group. CMAGuild.org, Creative Metal Arts Guild. The official Metal Arts Guild of Portland, Oregon, and surrounding areas. A non-profit offering education, networking, and exhibition opportunities. HMAG.org, Houston Metal Arts Guild. Organization that promotes and supports metal workers in the greater Houston area. MailArtisans.org, Mail Artisans International League. Dedicated to the art and industry of chain mail. Offers instructions, weaves, patterns, a gallery, rated links and chat groups. MIDWEST-METALSMITHS.org, Society for Midwest Metalsmiths. MeSilversmith.org, Message, Michigan Silversmiths Guild. NAMMA.org, National Ornamental and Miscellaneous Metals Association. Trade Association. Members fabricate everything from railings and driveway gates to structural and industrial products. PAGoldsmiths.org, Pennsylvania Society of Goldsmiths. Non-profit organization, support group for Pennsylvania area metalsmiths. SeattleMetalsGuild.org, Seattle Metals Guild. Organization of local area metalsmiths. Includes a list of events, member gallery, and newsletter. SnagMetalsmith.org, Snag the Society of North American Goldsmiths. Metal sculptor websites at kali.org/en/shopping/visual_arts/sculpture/sculptors/metals. 911SCULPTURE.com, Oles Nuez, Paul. Monumental cast bronze firefighter memorials, plaques, and statues. AdrianoBazzolo.com, Bazzolo, Adriano. Abstract and figurative sculptures in bronze, inspired by the sun and light. ArtAfterlife.com, Allison, Dean Kermit. Offering monument-scale bronze icons to tabletop inspirational works. BarellaArt.com, Barella, Chris. Limited edition bronze sculpture with brilliant patinas, representing marine life, tables, trophies, and fountains. Bathsheba.com, Grossman, Bathsheba. Sculpture in bronze, silver, and laser-etched crystal, exploring geometry using CAD/CAM and rapid prototyping. CustomDesignMetalArts.com, Roberts, Bill. Custom designed metal arts. Specializes in hand-forged and cast work sculpture, mirrors, tables, accessories and railings. DavidaDaniels.com, Daniels, David A. Specializing in figurative and wildlife bronze sculptures. Includes artist's profile. DonBeckBronzes.com, Don Beck Bronzes. Gallery of bronze and silver sculptures in limited editions, including portraits, wildlife, and marine themes. Also offering belt buckles. FireSculptor.com, Loy, Jeffrey. Specializes in custom-made architectural metalwork and fire sculptures. Includes artist's biography and information about his studio. francisross.co.uk, Ross, Francis. A collection of classical figurative sculptures in bronze suitable for the home, by Scottish artist. Gurtan.com, Gurtan, Vedat and Suet. Wall sculptures, water fountains, mirrors, and tables of copper and brass, spattered with patina for verdigris color. jcdia.com, Die, J.C. johnsoderberg.com, Soderberg, John M. peterclose.com, Close, Peter. Bronze sculptures of life-size cats, hares, F1 motorsport legends and military and aviation sculptures from World War II. RocheSculpture.com, Roche, Michael. Golf legends and firefighting themed sculptures worked in bronze, pewter, and an exclusive mixed metal process. rodneymunday-sculptor.co.uk, Monday, Rodney. Renaissance-influenced garden sculpture cast to order in bronze, bronze resin, other materials in variety of colors. Accepts commissions. ScottLeonard.com, Leonard, Scott. Bronze sculptures of elk, caribou, and other North American and African wildlife. Sculpture by Metari.com, Daniel Poor, Murray. Busts, imaginative, and abstract bronzes and patinas for sale and on commission. Also includes artist bio and contact information. StudioRomolo.com, Del Deo, Romolo. Features postmodern figurative bronze works with interactive gallery and comprehensive related links section. TomWittaStudio.com, White, Tom. Specializing in figurative, memorial, and commemorative bronze sculptures of people, places, and things. Includes biographical sketch, resume, and directions to the studio. Metalcraft supplies and products at cully.org/en/shopping/crafts/metal. Subcategories: Historic replicas, Ironwork, Jewelry, Sculpture, Supplies. BrownCustomiron.com, Brown Custom Iron. Hand-forged, hand-painted wine racks, horseshoe art, custom ornamental gates and railing, wall decorations, curtain rods, furniture, custom items. Coppergifts.com, Copper Gifts. Handcrafted copper cookie cutters, weather vanes, and gift items. BrodziakCustomKnives.com, David Brodziak Custom Knives. Features a variety of handcrafted practical and artistic knives including miniatures and full-sized swords. CopperLady.com, The Copper Shop LLC. Offers a selection of copper items. Includes wall art, clocks, ornaments, and light fixtures. CornerstoneForge.com, Cornerstone Forge. Hand-wrought aluminum giftware individually made using simple hand tools and vintage steel. DamascusKnife.com, Raymond Kuhn Custom Knives. Features a variety of handmade and custom knives and daggers primarily in Damascus steel. DementedMetal.webs.com, Demented Metal. Offers custom-designed metal sculptures. ExpressiveMetal.com, Expressive Metal. Handcrafted art for the yard and home. Includes pictures of the latest creations including flowers, butterflies, and ideas for custom work. FellowshipFoundry.com, Fellowship Foundry. Pewter sculptures, pendants, accessories and creations for costuming and collecting. HeCanPewter.com, Hecan Pewter. A wide variety of handcrafted pewter figurines by Kevin Hecan. JDHIronDesigns.com, JDH Iron Designs. Metal crafts for home decor or wall art, including seasonal selections. RockCreekMetalcraft.com, Rock Creek Metalcraft. Handmade metal figurine gifts and collectibles. SchindlerMetalworks.com, Schindler Metalworks. Featuring all forms of metal crafting from blacksmithing to stainless steel and aluminium. By Guido Schindler, Master Metalworker. Steelies.com, Steelies. Handmade welded metal functional and decorative objects for home and office. Windmills, clocks, chess sets, plant hangers. SwenWeathervane.com, Weathervanes. Family-owned business that offers a variety of handcrafted items. Tinkansally.com, Tinkansally. Switch plates and outlet covers, made from vintage or recycled tin cans, by tinsmith Sarah Kilvert. Custom work is also available. Titaniumart.com, titanium paintings. Fine art and functional objects made from titanium and other earth elements. Weathervanes.co.uk, Otter Weathervanes. Offers handmade weathervane designs. Custom orders accepted. WireTheSkiesBlue.com, Wire the Skies Blue. Custom wire art sculptures and chainmail mosaic portraits by the artist Chuck Doyle. Blacksmithing websites at cali.org/en/arts/crafts/metal_craft/blacksmithing. Subcategories. Organizations. Armor. Smithies. Blacksmithsjournal.com, Blacksmith's Journal. Monthly online magazine includes articles and design samples of techniques, tools, and forged ironwork. iForgeIron.com, iForgeIron. Blacksmithing reference of how-to blueprints, tools, and tricks of the trade, and stories. WLU.edu, the Rockbridge Bloomery. Offering an overview of smelting, furnace construction, and smithing. Includes step-by-step instructions. Virginia. RepousseTools.com, Repousse Tools and Techniques. Repousse Tools, Techniques, and Sources for Artists, Armorers, Metal Sculptors and Blacksmiths. school-of-blacksmithing.co.uk, Pete Oberon's School of Blacksmithing. Offering training in a purpose-built facility. Beginners and advanced courses available. Great Britain. Silversmithing websites at cali.org/en/arts/crafts/metal_craft/silversmithing. avi-biran.co.il, Byron, Avi. A silversmith who won the Bezalel Prize for Outstanding Achievements and the Lookman Prize for Judaica. barrythomas.co.uk, Thomas, Barry. British designer silversmith whose work follows clean lines, with an uncluttered appearance. colonialmetal.com, Colonial Metal Restorations. Restoration and refinishing of antique and contemporary metals. Complete silversmithing services including silver, brass, and gold plating. Friedmansilver.com, Friedman Silversmiths. Silversmith who provides silver, gold, brass, and metal restoration silver restorations. HeartSilversmiths.co.uk, Heart Gold and Silversmiths. Designers and makers of handcrafted silver since 1908, creating unique pieces for individuals. Also offering ecclesiastical work. Silvermag.com, Silver Magazine. Specializing in the field of silver, featuring the finest research with articles on antique English, continental, and colonial American silver. Silversculpture.co.uk, Lochhead, Gordon. Scottish metal artist who specializes in cast silver sculptural work, working mainly to commission. Silversmithing.com, Herman, Jeffrey. Professional silver repair from garbage disposal mishaps, to historically important tankards and tea services. Full restoration of fine silver pieces. Silversmithing.com, Society of American Silversmiths. Resource for anything relating to the silversmith's art and craft. Artisan Gallery, Silver Care, Workshops, and Library. STUDIO925.NL, Studio 925. Handcrafted Contemporary Silver, Functional Objects of Art. TheSilversmith.org, The Silversmith and Goldsmith Online. Expert Repairman, a creative designer, and a trusted retailer of both gold and silver jewelry, as well as estate jewelry and antiques. ValentinoTKOV.com, Yachtkoff, Valentine. Designer/silversmith, reviving chasing and repousse in art metals. Specializes in chasing and repoussé instruction. Based in New York. Metalcraft jewelry making tools and supplies. nancylthamilton.com/resources/links/jewelry-supplies. aircraft-tool.com. aircraft-tool.com/shop/main.aspx. aircraft-tool.com/shop/detail.aspx?product_ID =7073. Allcraft Jewelry Supply Company, 212-840-1860. Beataholique.com. Beatyucatayan.com. BestCutGems.com. BonadunEngineering.com, Bonnie Dune Engineering, Inc. Cleverworks.com, Cleverworks, Karen Christian's latest venture. Concavegems.com/artists.html. Contentai.com, Contenti. Contentai.com. Cooltools.us. Dumatt.com, Dumat Corporation. 302-684-1893. Esslinger.com/jewelrymakingtools.aspx. ETSE.com. ETSE.com/shop/enchanted crystal cave. ETSE.com/shop/jewel suppliers. Eurotool.com. FDJtool.com. FireMountainGems.com. FretsDesign.com/tools. Jesswine.com. JessWineCanada.com. Grobtusa.com, Grobit USA. GSSupplies.com/tools.html. Habsons.com, Hubsons, Seattle, WA USA. Hagstounce.com, TB. Hagstars & Son. HarborFreight.com. HenryAEvers.com, Henry A. Evers Corporation, Providence RI. IJSinc.com, Indian Jewelers Supply Co., 505-722-4451. JewelryDesignersStudio.com, Jewelry Designers Studio. JewelrySupply.com. JewelryToolsByMilland.com, Jewelry Tools by Milland. Lotard.com, Guy Lotard Machinists, Gunsmiths, Metalworkers and Clockmakers. MakerWorkshops.com, De Silva's Metal Design Studio, Anvils and Metalsmithing Tools 510-223-1616. Metalcyberspace.com/ppi.hdm, Metalliferous.com, Metalliferous Metals, Tools, Supplies. Micromark.com. MicroStampUSA.com, Microstamp Custom Steel Stamps. MidwestTechnology.com. MSMW.com. MyronChubak.com, Myron Chubak, Inc. NajaTools.com. AutoFree.com, AutoFree. Quality Jewelry Supplies. 800-772-3456. AutoFree.com. Pettyinghouse.de/en/products/pettyinghouse/hammers. Pepetools.com. potterusa.com/index.php. reactivemetals.com. riogrande.com/category/gemstones/106. riogrande.com. riogrande.com/search/frets-hammers. riogrande.com, Rio Grande. riogrande.com. riogrande.com/search/pettyinghouse-hammers. sfjssantafe.com, Santa Fe Jewelers Supply. silvercretestore.frankburke.com, Silvercrete, jewelry grade concrete. silversupplies.com/index.shtml. store.metalliferous.com. store.rocio.com/default.aspx. stores.ebay.com/design-associates-jewelry. Stuller.com, Stuller. Stuller.com/tools. timelazure.com. Torchmate.com, Torchmate CNC shape cutting machines. TrackerCNC.com, Plasma Cutting Machinery, Tracker CNC Plasma Cutting Machines. Waymill.com. WholesaleJewelrySupply.com/en. WolfTools.biz, Wolf Tools, Precision Wax Carving Tools. Metalcraft Jewelry Design Instructional DVDs for sale. This stuff is all on YouTube for free, like Nancy Hamilton's channel. ArtCraftWorld.com. NewApproachSchool.com. VictoriaLansford.com.